Hey, Sarah. How's it going?
Hi, Alex. I'm doing great. I've been thinking about planning a trip, and I'd love to get your input.
That sounds awesome. Where are you thinking of going?
Well, I've been considering a few options. One idea is to explore the beautiful countryside and hiking trails up in the mountains.
Oh, that sounds like a relaxing and adventurous trip. I love being surrounded by nature. But if you're up for something more vibrant, we could go to a bustling city with exciting nightlife and cultural attractions.
Yes, exactly. I can't decide, both options have their charm. Let's explore both mountain and city destinations.
Both at Sarah's home.
Let's check out some mountain destinations first. I've heard great things about the scenic beauty of Aspen, Colorado. It's perfect for hiking and skiing.
Aspen does sound amazing. And if we're talking cities, how about visiting New York City? There's so much to do there, from Broadway shows to museums and world-class restaurants.
Yes, I've always wanted to see a Broadway show. And the food in New York is legendary. But let's keep exploring other options too.
So, what kind of accommodations do you prefer? Hotels, Airbnb, or maybe camping?
Well, I like the comfort of hotels, but Airbnb gives us a more local experience. And camping could be a lot of fun too, especially if we're in the mountains.
True, camping could be a memorable adventure. We should definitely consider mixing it up during the trip.
Absolutely. Let's have a mix of accommodations to make the trip more exciting.
Checking your calendar.
How about we plan the trip for the end of next month? That should give us enough time to prepare.
Sounds good. End of next month it is. We should also check the weather and any upcoming events at our chosen destinations.
Great idea. We don't want to miss any local festivals or special events during our trip.
Enjoying the video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to never miss out on our latest uploads.
Speaking of budget, we should set a rough estimate for the trip. It'll help us plan better and avoid overspending.
You're right. I'll create a spreadsheet to track expenses and make sure we stay within our budget.
That's why I love planning trips with you, Sarah. You're so organized.
Thanks, Alex. It's all about having a stress-free and enjoyable trip, right?
Exactly. We'll have more fun if we plan things ahead and avoid any last-minute surprises.
I've been looking into adventure activities too. The mountains offer so much, like paragliding, river rafting, and even ziplining.
Count me in! And in the city, we can explore museums, go on food tours, and maybe even try a cooking class.
Oh, yes. Trying the local cuisine is a must. We'll be foodies on this trip for sure.
Agreed! We can make a list of all the restaurants and dishes we want to try.
It's so much fun planning this trip together, Alex. I'm glad we're doing it.
Me too, Sarah! I can't wait for our adventure in the mountains and the city.
Cheers to our upcoming trip.
Cheers! It's going to be an unforgettable journey.
Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and stay tuned for exciting new videos every week.